So hi everyone, today in this tutorial we will see like how we can bypass the sudo security. So sudo is basically administrative access, okay, which is used to install and uninstall the files in the Linux. Now for the sudo, to run the sudo command, we should have a root user access, okay, and in this tutorial we will see like how we can bypass the root user. So it's a vulnerabilities in a Linux, okay, under a CVE 2019-14287. So we are in the Tryhackme labs, and here we can see our machine is not connected. So I will redirect my screens to my virtual environment. So here first I will try to connect with the Tryhackme labs environment, okay, network using OpenVPN. So sudo and then now I am connected with the Tryhackme labs network, okay, and when I refresh the settings, then we can see like here status is connected. Now to bypass these security flaws, okay, sudo security, first we will take a root access, okay. First we will take the SSH access. So for that we have already started the machine and our IP is here, okay. So in that conditions we'll open a new terminal and we will run the command ssh-p port 2222 tryhackme @IP. So tryhackme is the username, and then IP followed by the IP address. So if I hit enter, okay, it asks for the password and my password is again same, tryhackme. Okay, now here we can see like we have got the privilege, okay, and now if I check like who am I, then you can see my username is Tryhackme. Now if I try to run some commands like sudo sh, then in that conditions I have to give the root user password, and currently I am not having a root user password, okay, for the user called Tryhackme, okay. So in that conditions I will try to terminate and we will see how we can bypass this sudo security. So to bypass this sudo security we will run a command. So to bypass this security flow we have a command, okay, it's called sudo -u has -1 and bash. Here sudo is for the root privilege, -u is for the user, and has is for one of the user. So I will run this and we see we got the root user access. So earlier our user was Tryhackme and now our user is sudo. So now the challenge is we need to check root.txt file. So simply what I will do, I will open the machine and I will run a command called cat and then control shift v, okay, and now you can see here we have grabbed the flag. So this is the flag which is stored in root.txt file, okay, and now here we are able to execute this. So here we have successfully bypassed the sudo check security mechanism and we are able to access the file from the root directory. So this much for the tutorials. In the next upcoming video we will see how we can bypass the sudo buffer overflow, okay. So in the next tutorial we will see like how we can bypass the sudo buffer overflow.